Have you ever wondered how a small drone flies so beautifully in the air, how it can easily turn in any direction and maintain balance without any human interference? If you also want to know how a drone works, then this video is for you. To lift the drone in the air, it has 4 propellers fitted in it, which are rotated by BLDC motors. The speed of these motors is very high. It is more than 10,000 revolutions per minute. When the motor rotates the propeller, the drone rises upwards. For this, you can see specially designed propellers which cut the air and push it downwards, which generates the thrust required for the drone to go up. This process happens equally in all 4 propellers. To keep the drone at one place in the air, the speed of its 4 propellers is controlled so that only that much thrust is generated so that the drone can remain balanced. If the speed of the propeller becomes very low, then the drone can also fall. Apart from this, it has 2 propellers to eliminate the reaction torque of the drone. The 2 propellers rotate clockwise and the 2 propellers rotate anti-clockwise, which keeps the drone balanced. If for some reason the speed of the propeller increases or decreases, the drone may become uncontrolled and fall. If the drone has to be rotated or tilted, it is necessary to ensure that the reaction torque is not affected. If the drone has to be rotated in one place, the speed of both the propellers facing each other is reduced, due to which a rotational force is generated in the drone and it starts rotating in its place. If the drone has to be moved horizontally, the speed of both the front propellers is reduced and the speed of the rear propeller is increased, due to which the drone tilts forward. After that, the speed of all the propellers is again made equal, then the thrust generated becomes equal, due to which the drone remains balanced. Despite this, an unbalanced horizontal force acts which moves the drone forward. According to this principle, the drone moves in all 4 directions. Precious quadcopter drones are adept at flying at high speed and taking sharp turns, due to which they are used in many areas such as photography, delivery, military operations, and it is even being used in many areas like disaster management. By now you have understood that by controlling the speed of the propeller, it can be run in any direction and it is absolutely impossible to adjust the speed of the propeller manually from the remote because its speed has to be adjusted in less than a second, otherwise the drone may crash. To do this work, a flight controller is used, which is the brain of the drone and controls it in every situation. The driver has a remote in his hand which establishes contact with the flight controller through radio wave frequency. The flight controller already has data feed that in which direction to move the drone, which propeller speed has to be increased or decreased. The flight controller also needs other input signals to take the right decision. For this, many sensors are installed in it like accelerometer, gyroscope sensor, and magnetometer. All these measure the height, speed, and direction of the drone and send these signals to the controller for processing. Based on this, the controller guides the drone. To power the sensors and motors in the drone, a sensor is used. Lithium-ion battery is used for this. When the driver sends the signal to move the drone forward, the flight controller immediately adjusts the speed of the propeller, due to which the drone starts moving forward. It can be easily moved in any direction through the remote. In this way, the flight controller makes controlling the drone as simple as a video game. So how did you like the drone technology in today's video? Please tell us by writing in the comment box, and thanks for watching the video.